This is a quick demo of yet another data migration tool. As you can see, I have the executable in the parent folder, however it could be anywhere. I also have the FileMaker data migration tool in the parent folder. However, the tool would also detect it if the data migration tool was in a subfolder of the working directory. As you can see, I have the INI file in the working folder, along with clone and source folders that have my FileMaker files that I wish to convert. Here's another representation of those files. As you can see, my INI file, I have everything commented out except for extra arguments. When you run yet another data migration tool, it will prompt you for any items that are missing from the INI file. As you can see, it picked up my INI setting for the DMT arguments, passing -v and -force. The first question that you get is the process count. Depending on your files and your system, you will likely want to set this to something between 2 and 4. There's no advantage to setting higher than 2 for me because I only have 2 files. Next, you'll be asked for the username and password. When you type the password, it'll hide what you type, but it is capturing key presses, including backspace if you make a mistake. Next, it'll ask if you have a prefix or suffix on your files. In my case, I have a prefix on my clones, which is dev_, but I don't have one on my source files, so I'll leave that blank. Normally, after you type in the suffix, it'll ask you for the extra arguments, but in my case, I have it in my INI file, so it'll skip that question. So as you can see, it's running both processes. As you saw, it had the output from both copies of the data migration tool combined, but it prefixed both the time and the file as it ran. You can also see at the very end, it had a small summary. Then in the folder, you see there's now a log folder, which has the same contents that was at the very end of the console output, along with a separate log for each file that was migrated. And then finally, we have our migrated files.